When foam rolling your adductors, you're going to place the foam roller at an angle in between your legs. You're going to lay on it to where it's slightly discomfortable, but not a stressful pain. Go ahead and roll back and forth with your body weight laying on the inside of that leg. You can extend and flex your knee, and you can move up and down to try to get different fibers. You can also use a mobility stick. Just make sure your leg is at a rest. You can use the foam roller or a pillow. Drop your leg out like a modified butterfly stretch and roll the inside.